Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there was a man named Thomas. Thomas was known far and wide as the most honest man in the whole land. From sunrise to sunset, his words rang with untruths, not even a hint. Now, in this village, honesty was as cherished as a golden apple, for you see, the villagers believed that honesty brought fortune and prosperity. One sunny morning, while Thomas was tending to his neat little garden, he stumbled upon a shiny coin nestled between the roots of his tomato plants. Now, this was no ordinary coin. It was the lost coin of the king, rumored to be imbued with magic that granted wealth beyond imagination. The news about the missing coin had spread like wildfire through the village, and as Thomas held it in his palm, he felt its warmth spread through him. His heart raced with excitement, yet he remembered the village's age-old adage, "An honest man seeks no wealth unearned." So, with a resolute heart, Thomas decided to deliver the coin back to the palace. As he walked through the village, whispers of admiration followed him, for all knew of the honest man's quest. When Thomas reached the palace, the king, a jovial fellow with a twinkle in his eye, greeted him. "Ah, Thomas, the most honest man in the realm, what brings you to my humble abode?" asked the king. With great humility, Thomas presented the coin. "Your Majesty, I found this in my garden. I believe it belongs to you." The king was overjoyed and immensely impressed by Thomas's honesty. "Dear Thomas, you've done me and your people a great service. For your honesty, I shall grant you a wish." Thomas thought long and hard. Finally, he asked, "Your Majesty, I wish for a library for our village, so our children and their children might learn and grow wise." And so, the king granted his wish, building a grand library filled with wondrous books and stories that would open doors to many worlds. Thomas's simple act of honesty not only enriched himself, but also bestowed prosperity upon his entire village. Thus, the tale of Thomas, the honest man, lived on in the hearts of the villagers forever, reminding everyone of the extraordinary rewards that honesty could bring.